Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Lux Algo. Lux Algo is the #1 agent to help you find strategies, powered by some of the best trading indicators and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on my channel. But right now, if you sign up to Lux Algo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 35% off their premium indicators. And keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Luxalgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're almost at 8,000 members, so thank you to everyone that's joined the Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today, I have some very exciting news for all of you. We have another new feature to share with you guys that was just released by Robinhood and that I just received access to. So this is going to be their first AI feature, and it is pretty cool. Now remember, Robinhood has a bunch of new features that they plan on releasing in the next couple of months, including Robinhood Social, overnight index options, and the ability to short stocks on Robinhood, plus a lot of other features coming. So I'll keep you guys updated as these features become available to me, and I'll share with you guys all these new features that come out. But today we are focusing on their new AI feature, which is called Robinhood Cortex. So Robinhood Cortex is an AI-powered investing assistant from Robinhood that provides real-time insights and analysis to help investors navigate the market. And as of right now, I only have access to it on the mobile app. So we're going to switch over to the mobile app, and I'll show you what I did to get access to it, and then how and where you can use this feature. So let's head on over to the mobile app and let's talk about Robinhood Cortex. So here we are on the Robinhood mobile app. So the first thing I want to show you guys is what I had to do to get this feature enabled on the app. And let me mention that this feature seems to be currently rolling out. So it's possible you may not have access to it yet, but don't worry, everyone should eventually get access to this feature. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to click on the bottom right icon, the icon that looks like a person. And then in here, you want to go over to the menu section. So this is what the menu section should look like. We have many different options in here. But here, we want to focus on the Robinhood Gold section. So yes, this feature requires that you have a Robinhood Gold membership, which if you pay yearly for it, it's $50, which comes out to be a little bit over $4 a month. And I truly think it's worth paying that, but I'll leave that up to you guys. So let's go ahead and let's click on Robinhood Gold here next. And then inside here, you'll notice this section that'll say use your perks. So under this, it lists out all the different perks that you receive by signing up to Robinhood Gold. And notice the third option below this section. It says Cortex Digest. So for me to get access to this, I had to first click on this and then agree to some terms. And then the feature started to show up for me. So if I click on it now, it doesn't make me do that anymore. It actually takes me to this new UI. But I think if you haven't gone in here yet, you'll have to maybe click on that, agree to some stuff, and then you'll get access to this feature. So you can go ahead and try it out and see if it works for you. But again, we get this new UI here where it's going to allow us to search for a stock or a crypto, because this will work for crypto as well. So you would search up for whatever you want like you normally would do. And then we'll be able to see this feature here. So one thing I want to mention first is that this feature, like I mentioned, works on both stocks and crypto, but only on more popular stocks and crypto. So it's possible that you may search up, a stock that's not very popular, and you may not see this feature on there. So you can see that kind of in the middle here, right? Pick an asset to get started. Digests appear on the detail pages of popular stocks and crypto. It actually has a list of popular assets here that you can select. But I'm going to go ahead and search up a different popular stock. Let's search up AMD here. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on AMD. So as you can see, it takes me over to AMD, just like when you do a normal search. And so I want to be specific here, right? This is Robinhood Cortex Digests. So these are going to be insights that leverage artificial intelligence, AI, to generate plain language summaries of what may be driving an asset's price. And it regularly pulls data from a variety of vetted data sources to periodically generate insights. And guardrails are also applied to verify factual consistency, style, and compliance. So where do we see these Cortex digests? So it's going to be right under the chart, as you can see here. There's a big heading that says digest, it's in red. And then under that, you see some information. But we can actually go ahead and click on digests here. And it's going to open up this section right here. So here, we're going to see market data, breaking news, research reports, analyst ratings, and other real-time signals to generate plain language summaries of, again, what may be driving a stock or a crypto's price at a given point in time. So no more having to spend hours doing research, checking up on what's going on. You can see the most important things here now very quickly. So we take a look here at the very top. It says updated 4 minutes ago. So it's constantly updating here. So AMD edges up 0.18% from Friday's close on strong AI partnership momentum and analyst upgrades. So it kind of gives us like a very brief summary, high-level summary. And then underneath that, we can go into more details here. So the first section, AI partnership momentum. Right, so we can see that AMD's AI hardware gains traction with major deals with OpenAI and with Oracle. So we can see that there. Then below that, analyst price target upgrades. So HSBC gave it a price target of 310. Bank of America and Wolf Research gave it a price target of 300. Wedbush a target of 270. Strong buy rating, median target of 255. So as you can see, all this different information just right here very quickly. No need to go spend so much time checking up on what's going on or all these other things. Strong data center growth forecasts. And then finally at the bottom, broader look, sector rides AI wave. And so all the way at the bottom here, you can see there's kind of a thumbs up or thumbs down. So you can actually provide feedback here to Robinhood. And I would suggest you do this so that, this continues to improve and continues to get better. So you can, give it a thumbs up and tell them what went well. You could do thumbs down, tell them what went wrong. And again, just provide feedback to continue to improve the experience here. And then take a look at this here, all the way at the bottom. It has all the different sources here. So as you can see, it's pulling from many different places. We have Benzinga at the top. We have tip ranks. We have a bunch of other places here. And you can go ahead and click on any of these here that allow you to open up in a different tab to read the article. So for example, let's just click on this first one from Benzinga. Weekend Roundup AI takes center stage, so we can go ahead and click on that. As you can see, it opens up the article here in the actual app as well. So that's pretty nice here. Let's go ahead and close out of that. So this is, again, Robinhood Cortex Digests. And it's going to be very interesting to see how this evolves and how Cortex in general evolves, because Cortex is your AI assistant. And I think there's going to be more features coming from it in the future. So there you guys have it. This is the new Robinhood Cortex Digest feature on Robinhood, their first AI feature. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.